Hello everyone, see you again. Today I would like to show, make a review for you to see clearly about my project that I assembled already. That you can see like this. That I just take the water from this well. That's old well that we don't abandon it. We don't continue to use. So it's difficult to take the water because it's so deep. And right now I will have a new idea to set up this kind of project to take the water from this well, right? Because there's also pressure. But don't forget, when you set up this, you have to use the glue, make sure no leaking water here. So when you connect, otherwise the other free water pump, we just use the metal drum, a big one, to take the pressure to start the water from the wire. But this project we don't use yet. We just use the big pipe that you can see with 100mm size, 60mm size, and input you can see the small one with the 34mm size, and the output the same size with the 34mm size. Right? Okay, let's go to see how does it work. And you can see here, with a lot of water is a flow out, right? Water. Okay, and you can see, look, it's still flow 24 hours per day non-stop, right? Even we don't use the electricity. And I can close it. You can see the one pressure here. It's for me strong pressure to suck the water from the well. Close properly. It's come out, right? And you can see water, right? And it's so strong. Wow, wow. And then, okay, you can see. Wow, so strong with some, right? Wow, wow, it's so strong like this. Okay, and one more time, I close it. The water is come out because out of we have kind of air pressure to take water from the well. Store here, you can see the water is increase and increase, up and up, more and more, right? And then I start to open it, the water is so strong. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow, you can see. The first time strong like this, but if you leave it like this, it will not strong, but it's still working in non-stop, right? 24 hours per day until we close this water, it stop. If you need water more, you can open it. Okay. At the last right now, I would like to say thank you so much that you spend the valuable time to see my explanation, my video today. See you next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.